So we've come to change this toilet. Just the system. That there is solid. So I'm going to try some WD on it. If that don't work, we're going to have to cut it off and hope for best. This is where two torches come in. See that? That's just spinning. We can't snap it off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it like that. Then we're gonna be able to snap that off and get back in. And persevere bit by bit. Beautiful. See, there's not enough room in this toilet to get down. Got it off. We'll clean all that up. Be like brand new. All welded on. I'm going to take all that off, clean it up, take that off, and then we've got one of these packs, and we're just going to replace everything in the toilet with a push button one and a new bracket for the bottom. All that off to get that out. Now this system has been in 25 years. Look, got siliconed in, never leaked. See that? You don't see me crying, oh I can't get it off, I can't get it off. See how easy? Just twist and snap. I put a push button in for this lady because she'll find it easier to push button. Right, so we cleaned it all up nicely.
Oh, come on.
Push button flush. I've made a little bracket there, can you see that bracket? And I'm bent it at bottom. Just keep that off the wall. So that moves freely. It's on the old systems, they're very close. So a nice little trick there for you. Plumbed it back up, exact same how it was. Can't tell we've been. Lovely.